Welcome to our quick guide on booking appointments with the NorQuest Career Center. Let's explore how you can easily schedule a 30-minute session with one of our fantastic career coaches. First things first, let's get you to our booking website. Here are 3 options. 1. Head straight to 32811.waitwell.ca. 2. Scan our handy QR code. It's like magic. 3. Visit the NorQuest website, click on Student Resources, and find Career Supports. Once you're on our booking page, click on the button that reads Career Coaching 30-Minute Appointments. Now here's where it gets exciting. You'll see a calendar of appointment availabilities. Want to work with a specific career coach? No problem. Use the drop-down menu to choose a specific career coach. Or, if this is your first career coaching appointment, leave it on Any Available and you will be assigned a career coach. Next up, pick your appointment type. We offer both in-person and online sessions, whatever suits your style. Time to choose the perfect date and time. Browse through our appointment calendar, find a date and time slot that works for you, and select it. Now fill in your contact info, including your name, phone number, and email address. Don't forget your NorQuest student ID and program. Here's an important step. Tell us what you would like to talk about. If you're booking as part of an assignment, make sure to select your instructor's name and the assignment topic from the drop-down menu. Ready to book your appointment? Click the red button to complete your booking. Congratulations! You've just scheduled your appointment with a career coach. Keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation email. We'll make sure you don't forget about your appointment. Expect a friendly reminder email the day before, and even a text message, carrier permitting. For online appointments, we'll send you a meeting link 5 minutes before start time. For in-person sessions, you can check in using our iPad when you arrive at the 6th floor, Civic Employees Legacy Tower, CALT, or follow the instructions on the text message that you will receive 10 minutes before your appointment. And there you have it. You're all set to take the next exciting step in your career journey. We can't wait to meet you. See you soon at the Career Center.